Welcome to today's analysis. Of course, we are using Well Trade for today's analysis. In case you don't know the broker called Well Trade, there's a link in the description for you to register an account with them. I'll drop the link there in the description for you. Alright, so starting up with Flip X1, so let's go straight to H4. Okay. Then as usual, is to mark out the structures, wait for change of levels. Okay. Okay, so this two zone is where oh god. So this two zone is where our target is. Okay, so now let's go to our time frame, which is 15-minute chart for continuous change of structure. Because I already see some bearish move right here, but we want to see change of structures. You can see previous level, they're already taking it out. So now we are now waiting for a break into this level now. Since they already changed the structure, so you can get a break into this level, then we go long to the next target, which is right here. I'm sure that is clear. So we want to change the structure now. We want to go long to the next level, which is here, which is going to be our next target. So but not yet. Wait for the market to actually enter this zone again, then fully close into this zone, then we go long. This is the target, and stop loss is going to be below this level. So I think that's a bit clear. So nothing complicated there. So the next one is going to be a Pain. So we go to Pain and using Pain 400. Actually, someone said we should analyze both 600. I think that will be done. But 600 is already analyzed. Let me see check the comments to see if there's another one we see asked to actually analyze. Okay. All right. I'm waiting for the H4 to open. Okay, here someone said, yeah, book 600. I think book 600 is going to be analyzed, so that's no problem. That's just all. What happened? H4 doesn't want to open, so let's just check the 2 hours. Okay, then why is H4 not opening? Let's go there again to check the 4 hours if it's open now. Alright, it's not still opening, so let's just go straight into 2 hours so we don't waste time. So taking this down, marking this, inspecting this level, taking this as the high. Two things are valid. Now in this zone, you can see it right here is actually let's say changing levels, because now coming down here, stopping here, unable to break this, tells us that likely selling pressure is there. Then coming down again, unable to break below this, stopping here. Now going up, unable to break above this, stopping here. Now you can see this spike into this level, breaking this below, telling us bearish pressure. Now to confirm this bearish pressure, we want to see it break below this now, below this previous zone. Once we can get a break below this previous zone, we wait for a retest on our X time frame, then we go short on that. I think that is clear enough, right? It started from here, came down here. Now we expect to break above this. If there is going to have a change of position, book above this, but that did not happen. Instead, it stops here, not taking this out. They're coming down, they're not taking this out, try to go up, but then it was not able to take this out, telling us bearish pressure. Remember, now for us to confirm this bearish pressure, now if first of all broke below this previous low, you can see this broke below this. Now for us to confirm this bearish pressure, you want to see go below the main low. This is this. They're testing this for us to go short. So that's the trade analysis on PainX 400. So today I'm actually for a short trade, but that is when that level gets taken out. All right, so go to the next one, which is Gain, and you're seeing 400. Okay, Gain is actually bearish. That is not going to open soon. So you are looking for just bearish trade, no bullish trade. I'm looking for just bearish trade. So once the structure changing on a bearish pattern, not bullish. And for now, no bearish pattern, so I'm not taking any trade on gain until I see a change of structure on the bearish pattern. And I'm sure you know that I'm changing to a bearish pattern. Maybe let us maybe stop here, then maybe stops here now. They're not to break above the stopping somewhere here. They're breaking below this, then stopping here again, not to be there, and I go short on it. So this is something I'm looking forward to, not bullish. So except by sitting your structure bearish pattern, that's gonna be more than glad to go short on GainX 400. So for now, I'm not doing anything on GainX 400. So go to the next one, which is break, and of course we are using break 600. All right. Okay, so I think I'm already seeing some short rates, but let's go to the H4 to confirm what is going on there. Yes, breaking previous lows, breaking this low. Now there is a level here. As we saw this another level, that taking this trade on escaping to this level. Now, for us to confirm that this is now valid, we want to see it also take out this. Now, as we saw it around here, because from this rejection, I'm sure we are seeing a pullback on a lower time frame. But since this is that, now to confirm this, I want to see it taking this out. So once you take this out, then go back to a lower time frame for a retracer or a pullback, then we go short on it. So that's that. I think it's also very simple and not complicated. So it's already taken out our previous low. Now to confirm that these bears are ready to continue in this market, we want to take out this level, we test that, then we continue on the short side of it. So that's that for break. So go to the final one, which is FX volume, and we are using 20. Okay. On the H4, since it's bullish, taking out our previous level. So I think there's already a bullish setup for us. Let's go to the H4 to confirm that. Yes, there is, but then we have to wait for confirmation on this time frame. Our confirmation is when the candle closes above this level. Remember, we want to close above this level for us to go long. Let me bring this down so they can take it our target. So they go long to this level. So that's so now let's wait now for the candle to actually close above this level. Now the question is, are we looking for short trades in case it's that change of structures? Let's go back to the H4 to see what really is going on there. Now on H4, short is also still valid. Why? Because this is a support level, this is a resistance level. So then it's possible for the market to actually hold this level, the start are crashing, but then we want to see a change of structure on a bearish pattern before we go short on that. Otherwise, if this level, our level right here get taken out, then we go long to this next zone. Remember, I said on the bearish pattern, I want to see a change of structure. I'm sure you know what means bearish structure. Now I do that on the previous analysis. I think that's the previous assets we actually analyzed. So that brings to the end of the analysis with World Trade. Just like I said earlier, in case you don't book a World Trade, check the description. I'll be leaving a link there to register. And using that link gives access to all my trade algorithms. You can see all my trade I'm taking. So please, if you're copying of the trade, try to adjust the loss side to loss side that suits you. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.